Hello, everyone. How are you? All right. Today we're going to start a new playlist. We're going to be talking about Docker, Dockerhub, and AWS ECS, Elastic Container Service. But for today, we're going to keep it very short and simple, talking only about this Docker file. We're going to go line by line, describing everything in detail. Now, before we do that, why Docker? What's the benefit of Docker? Why do we need it? Well, let's give you a very simple example. Let's say a colleague joins your project and they need to work on this application. And on their local machine, they do not have Node.js installed, but the application is running on Node.js. What to do? What to do? Big problems? No, not a big problem. That's why we have Docker. Docker provides an isolated environment, call it a container, that has all your dependencies installed already on it. So it doesn't matter if your colleague has those dependencies on their local machine or not. They can run the container and work on the project on their local machine. No problem. So that's that. Okay, now let's go line by line. Line one is referring to a template that we're going to get from a platform called Dockerhub, and I'm going to show it to you now. Dockerhub, here we see Dockerhub, and this provides templates for images. Now, what is an image? An image is an application with its environment as like a snapshot of those two things together. And the containers run off of those images. So here we see Dockerhub. We're looking at the Node.js page, and we're looking down, and we see a lot of images that are used for different purposes, depending on what your application's needs are. And so you see that you can grab any one of those. Now we have ours on line one. So that's that Node.js template that we have. Again, it already has dependencies installed on it. So we just have to do less configuration, less work. So that's good news. Okay, line three, this is something specific to Next.js. This project is being run with Next.js, and we just need to define the environment that we're working in. We're working in production environment, so we define that here. Line five, we are creating a working directory for our container. And basically, we can think that like everything after line five is going to pertain to that working directory. Okay, now line seven. Line seven, what are we doing? We are going to copy package. We see *JSON. Now, this, if you're not familiar with it, it's called a wildcard. So basically, everything that starts with package and ends in JSON is going to be copied into, yep, you guessed it, that working directory. Okay, and for this project, you see that I have a couple of files that that refer to that wildcard. Okay, line 9, run npm install. So we're going to install all the dependencies that we have defined in our package.json file. Okay, line 11. What are we doing? Line 11, ... Okay, we're going to copy everything that's in this application, everything in the application, and we're going to put it where? Where do you think we're going to put it? Yes, the working directory, of course. Okay, line 13, run npm run build. Okay, so we're going to be building a production-ready app in our container. And line 15, cmd npm start. Okay, so this is the command to start our application. And when this runs, we're going to actually see that that in our browser. We're going to see our application running in our browser as a container. It's going to be extremely exciting. Now, that won't happen until we actually run a couple of Docker CLI commands in the terminal, which we're not going to do today. We're going to do that in the next video. So that's it for today. I do hope that you liked the video. If anything was unclear, please leave any questions you have in the comments below. Please like, please share, please subscribe, everything everybody always says with these videos. Okay, thank you for your time. Have a great rest of your day.